we're gonna do a volcano with dinosaurs.
And what's going to happen?
There's gonna be a volcano blows up.
Okay. So what we have to do first is we have to take the baking soda. We have all the other ingredients. We got to put some baking soda in very carefully. Wait, I'll do this part just because it's a little hard.
Why?
To keep it in. See how it's kind of easy to spill it. Okay, I think that's good. And then, what is this, Chris?
Vinegar.
Do you want to do this part?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold the handle. Very carefully. Pour it in. Whoa! What's happening, Chris?
Volcano!
Wow!
That's it?
That's pretty awesome.
That's it?
Do you want to do a little more? You can touch it.
Okay.
You want to pour a little more in?
Yeah.
Can you erupt again? Whoa! We got to give it time. What do you think?
Good. Dinosaur basket.